Hi everyone, PaolaJo from SederQuilts with a Quick Tip Tuesday for you about binding. One of the things that I have often mentioned in my other videos about binding is where to stop and start and how to connect the two ends nicely. But I want to show you today on a really small project, we can really control where the bulky seams are so that they don't get in the corner. When we put our binding on and we come around the corner, if ever you've had all that bulk in the corner, you know that kind of messes things up. So especially with a small project like this, we can figure out where to put that bulk so that it's just after the corner a little bit, and bring it down the other side here and make sure again that that bulk is going to be past the corner a little bit, and with just a couple of clips to kind of see that we're close. Again, the bulk is off the corner. When we come around this last corner, we will put the binding on, we'll turn the corner, and we'll stitch just a little bit past the corner. I like to use KLIPits to mark where I want to stop and where I want to start sewing my binding on, so that just as in my other videos, I'm going to have at least a hand width in between here so that I can connect the two ends, and you can see our other videos about that. But if I start here, I come around, I make sure that I am missing the corner with that bulk, go around and match things up again. It's going to be wonderful. So anyway, check out all my helpful hints and videos over on YouTube at SederQuilts, or check out my website, SederQuilts.com. I'd love to help you enjoy your quilting more. See you later. Toodaloo.